Hey guys, what's up? This is Techie Maj, your tech buddy. Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I have InFocus M350 with me. InFocus is American-based company, and it is famous for its cheap rate product and high-end features. And I'm using this phone from 1 week, and here you can see at the bottom of the box there are some printed specs like battery, SAR value, camera, processor. Coming to this later on. Let me show you guys what this box contains. A basic packaging, and here you can see a USB cable 2.0, a basic headphone, a travel adapter, and some user guide and warranty cards. Keeping it aside, now coming to the phone. InFocus M350 is available in India market around 6,000 to 7,000 rupees. It has a thickness of 10.6 mm, and here I put the tempered glass because phone slips a lot from my hand. The back is very slippery, and here you can see the 3.5 jack, a volume rocker, and a micro USB port, an InFocus logo, a single LED 8 megapixel rear camera, has a back speaker. It has a BSI sensor at the front, 8 megapixel camera too. Here I am on it. It has a display of 5-inch SD IPS display of resolution 1280 into 720. Here it boots up. Build quality looks okay, and backside is little bit slippery, and it has a long 5-inch SD display. It comes easily in one hand. Viewing angles are also looking good. Color is very vivid and brilliant clarity, very enriched in color, 16 million color reproduction, basic UI like other Android phone have had. Little bit customization. Going to setting, seeing the version of Android. Has Android 5.1 Lollipop. That's nice with such low budget phone. Decent touch response. It is a multi-touch display. Basic settings like other Android phone have, with little bit customization, with icons, some motion gestures like shake to next song, etc. Now check it out, the camera. It has some basic settings like exposure, scene mode, white balance, anti-shake face detection, gesture shot, smile shot, auto scene detection, EIS auto mode. Now let me show you guys camera quality by clicking some pictures. It has an 8 megapixel BSI sensor. It can record SD videos. Here you can see the color reproduction of picture is nice. Clarity wise, this very nice camera. It has a selfie mode, a front camera of 8 megapixel that not usually seen with other brands, and such a low budget phone of 6 to 7,000 rupees. And the good news is that it supports 4G LTE, a dual SIM phone with micro SIM slot. It supports video calling facility, OTG, and a LED light notification. Like, let's check out some browsing experience. You can operate it by both hand or even by one hand. There is no issue. Here you can see how quick it's launched. Very smooth browsing experience. Here you can see the text clarity. Very good display quality. It has a Dragon Trail glass protection and above 320 ppi. Now it's time to check it out some real specs. So here we go. It has a chipset of MediaTek MT6732 quad-core 1.5 GHz 64-bit, and here you can see the Mali T760 GPU render and a vendor of ARM, and it has a display of 720 or 1280 pixels, 320 dpi, a ROM of 16 GB, RAM of 2 GB, 5.1 Android, a battery of 250 mAh battery, a Li-ion type battery. It has a sensor of accelerometer, light, gyroscope, orientation, magnetometer, rotation vector sensor, some linear accelerator sensor. So overall, using from 1 week and even tested with different games like Asphalt 8, there's no heating problem. There's a little bit bug in UI, but that's very minor one. A brilliant display with both rear and front 8 megapixel camera. Go for it, guys. Give our in focus of one chance and maybe your focus can change. So thank you for watching, guys. For more videos and updates, please click the red button to subscribe our channel and encourage us for more videos and your support and love. Thank you.